Okay, how to edit prices on a reseller portal. Your reseller portal is like a supermarket. You need to place prices on the item so that your users can buy in a way that you will make gains and not losses. So what do? Log into your portal. I'm still going to use this portal, learning links. That's what I'm going to use. So log into your portal, then go to the icon at the top right, click on plan management. Plan management. All right. So we will have a list of the plans on this portal. This admin has created 3 plans: starter, reseller, and partner. Because we are just borrowing this portal to do this tutorial, we'll create a new plan. So it's good for you to know how to create a new plan. What do I do now? I'll go to create new plan. I'll click on that. Let's call this plan money. Okay. Let's call this plan money. Migration fee. Maybe it's always good your portal, let the lowest level be those that do not need to pay any activation fee, the free users. So they will buy the most expensive items on the portal. The higher they go, the cheaper the items they get. So let's assume that I want to make the activation fee, which is called migration fee here, of this portal to be 2,000 naira. I'll enter it here, 2,000 naira. Okay, now the portal is designed in a way that your users can be debited for activation fee automatically, and whoever referred that person can also be credited automatically. So if I want to make something like, okay, whoever refers someone who is migrating to money level to get about 1,000 naira, what I need to do, under referral commission, I'll enter 1,000 naira. That means whenever someone upgrades to money level, and is debited 2,000 naira, the referrer gets 1,000 naira automatically in his or her wallet. Required points. For now, we will make a video on that later. So let's go to select type. You can make this level, money level, public or private. If it is public, that means a user from their end can easily see money level on his or her own dashboard and activate it. So if a user can activate a level automatically on his or her end, it is under the public activation. But if you call it private, that means they cannot do so unless you manually activate them. Okay, so let's say we want to make this public, and here public, then I'll click on create plan. Oh, it's asking for this. Okay, let's just put 100 here for now. We'll make a new video for that. Okay, so we have just created the money plan. The money plan activation fee is 2,000 naira. Points 100, availability public. We'll talk about this points later on, not in this video. Okay, so what do I need to? Please take note of this. If you click on modify and change money to another word, this plan will not work again. So do not change the name of the plan. The moment you change the name of the plan, it affects all items on that plan. So the plan becomes null and void. But you can edit price. So I'm going to click on edit price now. Edit price. Click on that. Now you have all the prices. On any item you see showing green shows the cost price of the portal owner. Okay, the cost price of the portal owner. So like this one showing 00 means that it is not available yet. It is not on sale. It's not on sale. For items like data, you enter their prices here, selling prices. Okay, for items like airtime is in percentage. You enter the percentage here, the third column. You can see percentage, percent. Okay, for items like DSTV, StarTime, GoTV, you enter the charges here. That's on the fourth column. That is called charge. Okay, now for items like electricity bill, it's under charge too. It's always advisable that you create your prices in a piece of paper or somewhere before you come here to enter your prices. You have different levels. Let's assume you have starter, reseller, partner. There are three different levels. It is good you've designed your price in a way that you can see them in black and white and compare them so that you don't make mistakes. So let's assume that this level now, for my GoTV, okay, my cost price is 420. Let's say for morning level, I want to make this. Okay, I want, take note, banks charge 100 naira extra. Paga charges the same thing. Quick Teller charges the same thing. Even on GoTV official website, most times you need to pay service charge 100 naira. So on the portal, you have some discount. We have some portals that are giving some funny discount. But what we do is we prefer quality to quantity. So the service we have is a service that we can assure you that surely whatever item you place will surely get done. So any item you put, so if I should write 30 naira here, that means the user of this portal will pay 450 naira for GoTV Lite. The 450 naira, 30 naira, this item I've written here is my gain. That is how GoTV, StarTimes, DSTV, that is how they work. This is Ibadan electricity. Now we have 20 naira, that means my charge as the owner of this portal is 20 naira. If I decide to write like 30 naira here, that means that when my user is using this portal, the user will pay 50 naira on any electricity bill he or she is paying. If someone is trying to get prepaid PIN of about 10,000 naira, that means the person will pay 10,050 naira. That is how electricity bill goes. So you enter the figure for all. Okay, like here I can have 30 here too. I'll have 30 here. To be careful, don't make any error. 30 naira here. The other one I did before for TV, DSTV, if I've decided that this user will be paying 30 naira extra, I'll enter 30 here. I'll come down, enter 30. I'll enter 30 for all the items, DSTV, GoTV, StarTime, that I want the person to pay 30 naira extra for. That is how that goes. Take note, we've mentioned two things. For data, the prices are on the second column. Take note, the first column shows your cost price. The second column shows the amount you want them to pay. So like for 5 gig now, cost price here is 1,745. So if I want the user of this plan to pay 1,800, I'll just come here and type 1,800 naira. Okay, so that is how that goes. For SMS, we have the non-DND routes and the DND routes. So any price I want them to pay for SMS, I will impute here. Like if I want SMSs to be 2 naira 30. So I can come here and write 2 naira 30. If I want DND route to be 3 naira 30, I'll come here, I'll write 3 naira, then write 30. Okay. Airtime 4.50% at can come here and write 3.50%. That means I'm giving the person, that means I was giving 4.5% discount and I'm giving the user 3.5% discount. That is for airtime. Airtel, I can do the same thing here. Let's assume Airtel here, I give this person 2.5% discount. I still have my profit. There's not much profit in airtime, but I still have my profit. So that's how you are going to do this one. This one's here. Sorry, this one's here. 9 Mobile, Airtel, Glo, MTN. You enter them on this column. The third. This is the first, the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Airtime, enter airtime on the third column. Alright, there's something you still need to mention here. Okay, like Smile. Smile falls into the category of DSTV, GoTV. You enter the charges here. These ones are in log so that you don't type anything here. This one is free. Forget about this part for now. We're going to create a video about the last two columns. Just face this one. So, yes, WAEC pin will be deactivated. So when it's activated, you will see your cost price and enter your selling price here. Now, for data, as we mentioned before, cost price, first column, selling price, second column. In business, your cost price must always be lower than your selling price. Do not forget that. When you are done with all this imputing, you come here and click update price. It will ask you, proceed with modification, okay. So when you have done that, it brings you back to this column. What have we achieved now? We have learned how to create new plan. We have also learned how to edit our prices. If you still have one or two questions about this, please contact our support staff. The owner of this portal only borrowed us, so this money level is not needed. What do? I'll just go to delete and click on delete. The portal will ask me, do I really want to delete this plan? Of course I want to. Take note, it's irreversible. I'll click on OK and it is deleted. So that is how to create new plan and to edit the prices. Vendors, this is very important. This is the first thing you should do. When you get your portal, when your portal is delivered to you and you refuse to create your prices, it's like someone who has opened a big supermarket, fill the place with items and refuse to put prices. You will end up running at huge loss. So that is how it goes. Happy trading. Thank you.